Imagine your door unlocking before you even say, see what's happening anytime, anywhere, right from your phone. One word, effortless. Here are three smart tech gadgets that you can't live without.
Perfect. One word, perfect.
Perfect. Our next big Bellezah project will arrive.
Most exciting part of designing this project is
Whether you live in a house and lot subdivision or a condominium unit, these are the three gadgets that every homeowner should have. Imagine your door unlocking before you even say,
I'm home.
that's the magic of smart digital door lock. Quick, secure, and totally key-free. You know what I love most? No more key dramas. I don't have to go through my bag or worry about keys. Just a quick tap, and I'm in. Just use your fingerprint, a passcode, or even use an app to unlock your home instantly. It provides enhanced security by ensuring that only registered users can access your home, giving you a peace of mind that your space is protected from an authorized entry. Also, the lock delivers convenience by eliminating the need for physical keys. Lastly, the lock's remote access allows you to control entry from anywhere, giving you the ability to lock or unlock your door even when you're not at home. This combination of security, convenience, and remote access can make everyday living in Bellezah Homes secure and stress-free. The price ranges from 3,000 to 12,000 pesos, depending on the brand product of your choice. Whether you're at work or on vacation, Smart CCTV camera has your back. What I love most about the smart CCTV camera is the real-time access. I can check on our office, my home, or even my dog. It gives me peace of mind without the stress. One of the benefits of smart CCTV camera is the night vision for 24/7 protection. It also alerts when motion or unusual activity is detected. I only bought mine from around 1,000 to 6,500. Security isn't a luxury, it's a must. And this one, it's smart, simple, and so worth it. Stream your favorite shows. Control it with your own voice or even connect it with your smart devices for a seamless experience. One word, effortless. Just say play and your smart TV takes over. Lights, sound, streaming, all in one sync. Did you know that smart TVs can bring entertainment and convenience to the next level? It offers seamless streaming access to popular platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and more with just one click, making it easy for you to enjoy your favorite shows anywhere and anytime. One more thing about smart TVs is that it allows you to integrate and sync up with smart devices like smart lights or smart speakers. This combination of advanced technology and ease of use makes smart TVs an essential part of modern living at Bellezah Homes. Price starts at 2,200 pesos to 15,000 pesos, just like what we have here in the office.
If you want to know the reason why everyone is talking about Bellezah Homes Trea, please click this icon above me to see the reason why Bellezah Trea is the best choice for you.
So there you have it. These are my three must-have smart home technologies to make your life easier and more connected at Bellezah Homes. These smart home technologies bring out convenience, security, and efficiency to all homeowners out there. Let me know in the comments what smart home tech is your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart home tips and real estate updates. Once again, I am Ange. See you on the next one.
Bellezah, your best first home.